Hello everyone, this is Sun. So today I'm going to do a short little video of YesStyle, what I got from YesStyle. I wanted to show you guys these summer outfits because I had a chance to go out and finally film a couple of them, so I'm really excited for that. I recently became a YesStyle influencer. I'm so glad they have this program. I've been a YesStyle member for so long now and show you more pieces that I get from YesStyle in the future. I buy from YesStyle quite often. I really like their stuff. So I'm gonna go straight to the video.
around this, and then like what, like
I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and go ahead and click the little cards for my other videos that I have. I made an Invisalign video if you're interested in getting Invisalign lately, and other fashion videos. Make sure to hit that bell icon so that you get notifications. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe too, and follow me on my social media at SUNISPRETTY on my Instagram. I also have a TikTok now. I'll put that link down below for you guys to check out. Thank you so much for the support that you guys always give me, even when I'm absent. And talk to you guys next time. Bye!